Hi everyone, I'm Kelvin.
Hello, I'm Wilson. Today we would like to share some simple but powerful tips on how to live a healthy lifestyle. Starting at school.
Let's face it, between homework, exams, and activities, life can get pretty hectic. But taking care of your health doesn't have to be complicated.
Yes! First, let's talk about doing sports. You don't need to hit the gym every day. Just moving your body makes a big difference. Try walking to school or joining a sport team.
Next is eating healthy. A balanced diet fuels your body and brains. That means more fruit and vegetables and less junk food. And don't forget to drink more water. Water is your best friend!
Yes! Now, let's talk about mental health. Getting enough sleep is important too. If you're feeling unhappy, talk to a friend or a teacher.
Healthy living isn't about being perfect. It is about making smart choices that help you feel better and live and life happiness. Because when we take care of ourselves, we are ready to take on anything. Bye bye.